Howdy doody, my name is Ayman and I'm from Potdo.net, and today we're going to be doing a microphone test for the Razer Kraken Tournament Edition. Now this is one of the newest gaming headsets that Razer has to offer, and what you're hearing right now is my voice coming through the microphone of the headset itself. So while I'm showing how the microphone sounds like, I'm just going to be talking a little bit about the products. So one of the things that's different from the previous Kraken is the USB audio controller. So you connect the 3.5mm cable to this thing, and then you use this to connect the USB cable on your PC. And you can adjust your volume, your bass. You can even balance between the chat audio and your in-game audio, among other things. And one of the most interesting things here is the Thx Spatial audio. Now, what it does is basically gives you a 360-degree sound, so you know where the sound is coming from. Now, this might not be so useful depending on what you're going to be doing with, because if you're going to be listening to music, you might not care so much. But when you're playing games like, let's say, Overwatch or Call of Duty Black Ops 4, which just came out, this is going to be especially useful, so at least you know where some of the attacks or some of the players and enemies are coming from. Now, another thing that's different in this Kraken, the Tournament Edition, is the cooling gel infused ear pads. So it's still as comfortable as you know before, and it's still rather oversized. You can see how big it is, like in my head. It fits just nicely, but it's supposed to not make it feel as hot when you're wearing it for long hours. Now, to me, I feel like when you're playing in the beginning, it's better, but over maybe 2-3 hours of gaming, I still feel it's about the same as the previous Kraken anyway. But to some extent, there is a difference, but I would not expect too much since you're pretty much closing off your ears with the ear cups anyway. And well, I think I've talked at length about it, and pretty sure you have an idea how the microphone sounds like, whether it's worth it for you or not. There are better options out there for gaming headsets, at least if you're thinking about a microphone, but overall, I don't think this is a bad choice if you were to go for the Razer Kraken Tournament Edition. But if you already own like a Razer Kraken, like the previous generation one, maybe you might want to consider buying something else. But if you choose to get it anyway, don't worry about it. It's still a good choice. And that's all from me today. My name's Simon from Potdo.net, signing off. Bye!